Guess who? Yep, it's me, Ruby Roo, along with my trusty pal, Ruby. We're here and excited to learn some fun new things. So, bring on that magic wheel. There it is! Spinning the wheel. Art! Yes! Art is my favorite. Colors, creative stuff, I just love it. What's that, Ruben? Oh, you don't really like art? I know you struggle with it a bit because you have no hands, but don't you worry. We'll do this together. Wow, what do we have here? Okay, we have a tray. We have some lemons. We have measuring cups, some food coloring, a knife, a spoon or two, and it seems like it's baking soda. All right, Rubit, what do we do now? Make the lemons into color volcanoes. Wow, Rubit, color volcanoes sound amazing. But how do we make them? What? Well then, take the lead, little buddy. You're in charge. Okay, step 1. Cut the tops and the bottoms of the lemons, but because we're using a very sharp knife, you must be super careful. Ask your parents or a very responsible adult to do it for you, or to certainly help you. Ready? Rubit, you have to be the responsible one. All right, taking the lemons, cutting the tops off, and the bottom. There. Step 1 complete. Next instruction. Carve the insides of the lemons out and then add food coloring. All right, little buddy, this could get messy. I'm excited. Carving out the insides. This is kind of like carving a pumpkin, Rubit. Okay, now for the food coloring. A little blue for this lemon. Ooh, that looks nifty. Since the lemon's already yellow, I'm gonna go with red. All right, great job. Now add a spoonful of baking soda to the inside of the lemons. Okay, something's happening. What's that, Ruben? Mash them up to see what happens then? Okay, I can certainly mash them up. Should maybe make them react more. Wow, look at them bubbles! So that's what a color volcano looks like. Oh, I see. So the citric acid from the lemon is reacting with the baking soda to create carbon dioxide gas, aka the bubbles. Wow, it's just like a can of soda. Mission accomplished. Great job. I couldn't have done it without you. Well, friends, we'll see you next time for more fun learning.